Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to view WhatsApp status without letting them know, them being the person posting the WhatsApp status. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your WhatsApp. You want to log into your WhatsApp, and usually when you view a status, the person who sent the status can see the number of people who viewed his or her status and their identity. And what you can do is we are going to set so that when you view a status, you cannot be seen. So the first thing you have to do is click on your settings on the bottom right corner of your screen, and you want to click on privacy settings. Click on privacy, and the next thing we want to do is just to scroll down. You want to scroll down until we find an option that says read receipt. Find an option that says read receipt. Here it is. And what we want to do is disable the option. Just go ahead and disable the option read receipt. And now that this has been done, you can view WhatsApp status, and the person who posts the status will not know. You can just view WhatsApp status and the person will not see. People will not be able to view to know the person who has viewed the status. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.